is the Tech Review Guys, and this one we're not really going to be reviewing or anything or showing you how to get anything for free, but as you can see in the picture, this is just an update on what's been going on,
This
like
is gonna be our first update.
behind the scenes, or like maybe just like
So you know what maybe
you know.
next.
You'll know what's coming next. So first thing I'd like to mention is that we're actually going to be building a computer. That's right. We're buying the parts, and then sometime over the summer, we're hoping that we're going to get it built, and then we can actually have it working.
Around July 2010.
Yeah, mid-July maybe. That's when we're going to be actually free to actually make it.
And we will put videos up. It may be in
There'll be
parts.
videos up. It's probably going to be in parts, since it's totally going to take more than 10 minutes to make it, and it's going to be probably more than 2 gigabytes, but we'll see.
Maybe not.
And that picture that you're seeing right now, that's really not what it's going to look like. That's the wrong monitor and like the wrong thing. This is what it's really going to be looking like.
Yeah.
So you can see
The
these
first
are
part
just
was
like,
positioning.
yeah, that's just like some positioning that I just quickly photoshopped together.
Yeah.
But that's actually, so you can see like the monitor and the tower.
Yep.
And it's pretty
Side
nice.
view of the monitor.
A side view of the monitors. You can see like the stand is like hidden. It looks pretty nice.
Yeah.
And then most of the parts are actually made by AMD. You can see the logo up there. They're a pretty good company.
Yeah.
You can make some good stuff from their
yeah.
parts.
Okay, so now for the specs. The specs are pretty good if you think of it. Okay, so now for the processor. It is an AMD Phenom 2 3.4 gigahertz processor.
You can see a picture of it there.
Yeah. It is a quad core, so that's pretty nice. Now, it has a ton of memory. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR3 memory. Yeah, it's OCZ. It's OCZ. Yeah, that's the company who made it. Alright, so the next thing is the hard drive. It has a 1 terabyte hard drive. That's a lot.
And just to mention, the case that we can put it in, you can actually have like a lot more than just one hard drive. I'm pretty sure you can have like up to 6 hooked up at the same time.
Yeah, probably.
So we'll probably have more than 1 terabyte, but we'll have to see how that works out. And so on with the specs.
Alright, so the next thing we're going to talk about is the graphics card. It has a 1 gigabyte ATI Radeon graphics card. I'm not exactly sure which series. Around 5870, I think. Yeah, that is going to do full HD graphics, and the monitor is also capable of full HD, so it will be a 1080p monitor. Yeah, so.
And that's about it. So now we're going to move on to our next topic. Okay, so the next thing we'd like to say is that recently we got a message in our inbox that says, "Hey, this is weird. Why do you use a camera and not a screen capturing program? And why do you show the installation process?" And so we responded, but we think that'd be good if more people got the response instead of just the one person. So first off, the reason we don't use a screen capturing program is because not many of them really have good quality, and the ones that do, like I found Fraps, that works pretty well. Like Fraps will only record games, so you can't show the screen. So that's why, until we find one that actually has good quality and will let us have like microphone input, and
Well, it doesn't have to have microphone input, but if you find one with good quality and that doesn't put like a little and doesn't show its name at the top, like.
Well, for a watermark, to not have a watermark, you're gonna need to pay, but we can do that. Well, we can fake do that, but you know what we mean.
Yeah, we can put in audio ourselves, like we're doing right now with the little.
Yeah, we're just recording it and then putting pictures over it.
Yeah. So, but if you find anything with any screen capture device with good quality, please either send us a message or put it in the comments of this video.
Next thing that they said was, "Why do you show the installation process?" And that, we actually, upon seeing the message, we kind of started to wonder that ourselves. So, unless there's really a strange installation process, we're probably just going to say, you install it from this link and then just go from there.
Like if you've ever seen Adobe Photoshop or Adobe CS5 products installed,
We used to have a video up on that, but it got taken down.
Yeah, you download a zip folder, which unzips itself to another zip folder, and then you have to go in it and hit setup. That would be something we'd show.
Yeah.
Not the actual unzipping of it or anything, but just a brief how to do it, because it's sort of odd. But if it's a normal installation like you'll normally see, like just you download the .exe and then open it and then you put in, yeah, and then we won't show that, but we'll show the putting in the code.
So, hopefully we answered some questions, and so we hope to see you keep watching our videos.
If you have anything to say to us, any comments, or if you want to help us with something, then you can just either put a comment in this video, or if you don't want to show everybody it, you can just send it to us via message.
So,
or you can email techreviewguys@aol.com.
So, we hope to see you keep watching, and thanks for watching. Bye.